I'm scared, Robert. So today is the day. We're going to attempt. Now we are going to do it, aren't we, Robert?
Yeah.
To put the engine back in Gurty, the 1968 911. There's its gearbox on the floor. That gearbox is on the floor because shortly after we got it, we took it out on the track day. Did a few laps, it was going really well, and then all of a sudden the gearbox just like sort of blew up and, you know, into a billion pieces. So the gearbox went off to Richard Chamberlain, and then I think it sort of bounced around a few other people for some other bits and pieces. It's got new billet pieces on it. They did all the crown and pinion and all that sort of thing. So it's been completely rebuilt. So this is the gearbox that's going to go back on the engine, which is under there. It's been hidden really well, isn't it? Nothing to see under there. So yeah, we're going to attach this gearbox back to the engine and then get the engine, hopefully, in the car. How hard could it be, you know? So what we got to do here?
For the oil in the gearbox. We're putting it in through the breather. The gearbox should only take 2.5 litres.
Right.
But because we're running a cooler, we're going to try and put in more than 2.5 litres. Which is why we're putting it in the top rather than in the side.
Shiny bits. Ah, the old 201. The oil is blue.
Oops.
Oh, Robert.
Oh.
That's like 50 quid you just dropped on the floor. That does look very viscous, doesn't it?
Oh, Charlie's getting all verbal.
I am. I'm gurgling.
Turning the gears. Get the oil around the gearbox.
Good thinking.
I mean, they should be swamped in oil, really.
There she is.
So I think we bolt this to the engine. The red one goes on there. Leave the 2 dry brakes disconnected. And then at least we won't leak any oil. I think this one goes straight to the starter motor.
Oh.
I think that's a sensor, because that's alternator, maybe that goes to the dashboard.
Yeah, there's probably something inside. Oh, we've taped it there.
God knows what that means.
We taped it right. Right, so the gearbox is on. All it is just remembering where all the pipes and all the wires went.
It's the fucking wires that I'm worried about, what they connect to.
Well, when we took it out, we did tape a lot of stuff up. Like that one where it's got the white tape on it there. We did tape up stuff in here as well. Oh, there's one there. Bit of tape there. I think it'll be pretty self-explanatory once we actually get it in the car.
Oh, look here. Oh. That connects to that one there. I wonder what the hell that is. Oh, that's a lambda sensor. Should we try and get it a bit higher?
Yep.
You can get much of it. Oh,
It's just quite unstable. The higher it goes, it's a bit unstable the higher it goes, isn't it? Wow, this isn't terrifying at all.
So on the video I watched, they did point the gearbox up higher first. Charlie's going to lift that.
I'll stand with your stand.
You're going to pull the dolly out of the way, and then I'll put the
You might have
jack
to get that out from between my legs.
Yeah.
You only need to lift it a tiny bit.
Do I?
Yeah, just to get the jack in.
Scared me.
There you go, you can let go now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
So we're going to go higher to try and bring this level. Bang!
Whap! Whap!
Opening.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Are they like flaps?
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
What?
I was just wondering whether the gearbox connector will go through the hole. That's all.
It's got a cutout, isn't it?
Yeah, but it still looks tight. Whether that needs to go in first, I'm not sure. So we need the front, we need the rear downwards,
Yeah,
really.
you do.
But I think we need the whole engine slightly further rearwards.
Oh, what's that?
No.
Oh, shit.
Right. Is that enough difference? I don't know if that is really.
It would need to come.
I think it needs to go down a bit more.
Do you? I think it needs to go towards you.
Are you ready?
Well, what are you going to do first?
Pull it towards me. The car needs to come down now. Right, you're right, Charlie, give me downwards.
I'm scared, Robert.
It's horrible, isn't it?
Oh, do you know what? That is the filthiest thing. Look at that.
In there. You're in the slot.
That's what we're talking about. We had the finest of gaps to get that in, look. We're just all about this precision engineering.
Now that's us all over.
There we go, we're in the hole.
You ain't.
We are. Did you hear that noise?
It did, yeah.
That was the bolt going in the hole.
Oh, yeah.
was it?
Yeah.
Still bolt here, engine bolt. We're almost there. Just the engine bolts are just proving to be a little bit difficult. But Robert's now coming in with the persuader. There it is. Come to the case tractor suppliers because they have some big bolts.
Oh look, should we get one of these?
Where's it? Yeah, boy.
Which one?
Look at these bad boys. See, this is where you got to come if you need some engine bolts,
That
Robert.
loader. That'd put the engine in the car, wouldn't it?
It would. Woo! The last bolt holding it. So it's official, the engine is actually bolted in.
Yeah. Fire it up.
Wow. We can go to the pub now.
Oh, well chuffed.
Since day one, you've been giving me the sign. Settle down and create our life. Late night movies and a couple of sheets. In my arms is where I want you to be. One night at a party, you notice me. As your eyes on a guy like.
Right, so first start up, everything's back together.
Just turn it over on the, without ignition to get the oil pressure up.
Yeah. Oh man. Come on. What do you reckon's going on?
I don't think the clutch is engaging properly. Put my foot hard to the floor and it went go into gear without crunching. Which means the clutch isn't fully engaged, isn't it?
What did you adjust?
Just the clutch. Slave cylinder, just moved it.
Sweet. Fucking hell. We actually did something in the garage and nothing went wrong.
We thought it wasn't working the first go.
Oh my god.